Today we're going to be making homemade sweet potatoes.
What's up guys, it's Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone.
And today we are going to be making homemade sweet potatoes. This is another one of our great Thanksgiving recipes.
It's a lot easier if you cook the sweet potatoes first in the jackets. Takes a little bit of time, but it's worth it. They're so easy to peel.
And that's what makes this recipe stand out from some other recipes, and it's so much easier, just a perfect Thanksgiving recipe, and we hope you enjoy it.
Before we start this video, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe.
And also check out the links in the description to all of our social media so you can follow us there and get updated every time we upload a new video.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, first thing you want to do is just wash the potatoes and then put them in a cooker. We've got 7 or 8 here, medium potatoes. I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of salt on them. And then just put water up over them or close to it. And then you want to boil these in the jackets for, it'll probably take about 30 minutes, but till they're tender. So we'll just put them on medium, and then we'll be back when they get done. Okay, after about 30 minutes, we're going to add a little more water and cook them a little bit longer. So we'll be back in about 20 minutes. Okay, they're tender now. So now we're going to put them, drain the water and put some cold water on them, and then they'll be ready to peel. So just dump out the hot water and put some cold water on them and let them cool down. Okay, first you want to spray you can use a casserole dish, a 9x13 pan. You want to spray so they don't stick. And then we're going to peel them. Make sure they're cooled down. And then you want to peel and slice them. The peelings just kind of fall off. And then you can just do them, quarter them, or if you'd like bigger pieces, you can just half them. Look how easy that is. So this probably feed about 8 to 10 people maybe. So when I do them for Thanksgiving, I do about 3 times this much. Get them in the pan, just sprinkle some salt on them. I'm going to melt 3 tablespoons of butter in the microwave. Melted. I'm going to put about 1 cup of brown sugar and about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to mix it together, and then we'll put it on top of the sweet potatoes. We're ready to put them in the oven. Just put them in there uncovered. You want to put them on the lowest rack in the oven and bake at 485 we're going to do 30 minutes, and then we'll see if the syrup's getting thick yet. Oh, what a coincidence. What are these doing here? If you want to see how to make these, click up in the right corner. Okay, the timer went off, so we're going to get the sweet potatoes out of the oven. Looks like they've thickened up. Now we're going to add some mini marshmallows to the top and put them back in for just a few minutes. So just however many you want. I like to cover them. We'll put it back in the oven probably for about 5 more minutes. Okay, we got the sweet potatoes out of the oven. It took about 3.5 minutes to get the marshmallows melted. So just when you put the marshmallows on, just watch them, and it may take longer depending on your oven.
Okay guys, we're back, and the sweet potatoes are done. They look great. They turned out how we wanted them to, and I'm sure they will taste great at Thanksgiving. We really liked them, and sure you guys will too. So make sure that you leave a like and leave a comment below telling us what you want to see next. And once Thanksgiving is over, we're starting our Christmas videos, and we're making a lot of those this year. So if you have any ideas, make sure to leave a comment letting us know. And so you don't miss a video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. You want to do the countdown?
Oh, sure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bye.